Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 28th, 2025, we're analyzing Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We'll be looking at recent news and chart data to make informed trading decisions. First, let's address the news. Recent reports indicate that Amazon stock is up due to Trump's tariff cut delay on EU imports until July 9th, giving room for cross-border demand. Amazon's stock experienced volatility recently. Also, analyst estimates give an average price target of $238.50 and recommend a buy rating. However, Amazon also dropped on guidance that fell short of market expectations. Now, let's move to the chart and see how these events correlate with the price action. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. On the daily chart, we can observe the overall trend of Amazon stock over the past year. From January 2024 to the present, we've seen significant volatility. The stock reached highs in early 2025 around 242 before experiencing a substantial correction to the 160s in August 2024. Since then, it has been in a recovery phase. We observe that Amazon closed on May 27th, 2025 at 206.02. The most recent candles show that Amazon is finding support in the low 200s and may be trending upwards. We can now examine more recent candles to confirm that recent news is corresponding with an upward trend. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, we can see a more granular view of the price movement over the last few days. The stock has been trading in a range, consolidating between roughly 187 to 193. A resistance level seems to have been formed between 193 to 194. The most recent 1-hour candles appear to be testing these resistance levels. Now let's examine the 15-minute chart to get even finer detail into recent price action. Looking at the 15-minute chart, intraday traders can identify short-term support and resistance levels. There appears to be a key area around the 203 range. Since May 27th, recent resistance has formed in the 205 to 206 range. We should watch the volume here closely to see if there is any significant break through the resistance level. If a strong move occurs, the short-term expectation would be bullish. Otherwise, there could be consolidation in these current levels. To recap, we've identified a key resistance level in the 205 to 206 range on the short-term charts. A break above this level with strong volume would suggest a bullish continuation. On the downside, a break below the low 200s could signal further downside risk. Analyst targets are generally bullish at 238.50, but this is based on how Amazon can meet market expectations. The recent drop could reflect concerns about slower growth of their cloud services division, AWS. For the near term, keep an eye on tariff-related news, as the stock could see turbulence related to trade negotiations. Thanks for tuning in to Explain the Charts. Until next time.